Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two top-notch robot vacuums with mopping capabilities. In the red corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max Plus, and in the blue corner, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive into the features and see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the convenience of auto-empty docks. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes equipped with the Auto-Empty Dock Pure, which automatically empties the robot after cleaning. With its 2.5L dust bag, it can store up to 7 weeks of debris without the need for frequent manual emptying. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus also offers automatic emptying of its vacuum bin. It can hold up to 60 days of debris, giving you 2 whole months of not worrying about vacuuming. Now, let's compare the suction power of these two robots. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a powerful 4,200 pascals suction, easily lifting debris, pet hair, and even drawing it from carpets. When a carpet is detected, it automatically increases its suction for deep cleaning. Similarly, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus utilizes the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7 Plus model. It has a 4-stage cleaning system that pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. Moving on to the vacuum and mop capabilities. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus allows you to vacuum and mop at the same time, ensuring a deeper clean. With its electronic pump, you can adjust the water flow level to match your floor types and preferences. Similarly, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus comes with an additional Roomba Combo bin, which instantly transforms it into a robot vacuum and mop. Just fill the bin with water or a compatible cleaning solution, and the specialized microfiber pad tackles footprints, dirt, and dust. Let's talk about navigation and mapping. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus utilizes PreciSense Lidar navigation, which creates precise maps of your home. It tracks cleaning routes, unlocks smart cleaning functions, and can even be viewed in 3D. You can add furniture and floor materials to recreate your home virtually. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus features advanced navigation with neat rows for a more thorough clean. It navigates your home in efficient rows, purposefully and logically cleaning in parallel lines across multiple floor types. Lastly, let's talk about battery life. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is equipped with a supersized battery that powers the robot for up to 180 minutes of runtime, or a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 SQFT. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus also provides long-lasting cleaning with its battery, ensuring it can clean your home efficiently. Overall, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus have received positive reviews from customers. Here are some sentiments from the reviews. And that concludes our comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. It's a close competition with both products offering impressive features. Ultimately, the choice will come down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember to check the description box below for links to these products and their current prices. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Buy Smart.